Welcome back. It's time now for the financial week. The new year is off to a good start. That declaration from hospitality stakeholders in Negril, Westmoreland, as the winter tourist season continues to progress. Details in this report.
2024 was a rough year for Negril's hospitality industry. Two major weather systems, rising costs of food, supply shortages, and dwindling tourist arrivals. But now business is looking up.
I can say that over the Christmas holidays, between just before Christmas coming into the new year, Negril was buzzing. We were very good business for everybody. Hotel accommodations were very high, and the town in general was buzzing with visitors. So, I can say that for my properties, my businesses, it was one of the best 2 weeks that I've seen in many years in terms of business.
One of the sore points for the resort town last year was the lack of water. Hotelier Richard Wallace says that is presently not an issue.
During the busy time of the Christmas and New Year season, we had no issues with water. And so that is also a positive thing for us. The drought has not started as early this time around as it did last year. So maybe that has something to do with it. But I know that a lot of improvements were made since the last time we had water issues.
Their main concern now is the poor state of the roads.
The highway from Montego Bay to Negril we are in desperate need of sorting that out. And even recently, the Prime Minister has said that is getting priority. I know funds have been allocated for the repair of the highway, of the road now. And so we're hoping that will, start and finish quickly because we already started the season, and it's one of the biggest challenges we have now.
This became increasingly urgent after the recent opening of the Princess Hotel in neighboring Green Island, Hanover. It's the largest facility to open its doors in Jamaica in the last 15 years, with over 1,000 rooms. And the bigger the facility, the more visitors it brings. This has significantly affected traffic going in and out of Negril.
Sometimes it takes 3-4 hours to get to Negril, which is totally a problem because that will kill our business here.
Nevertheless,
the season is looking pretty good, and we're based on how it started off. We are confident that we'll have a very good season, barring any unforeseen circumstance.
The JC Index advanced by 1,695 points. The Junior Market Index advanced by 18 points. 50 stocks gained ground today, including Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Panjam Group, JMMB 9.5% and JPS 9.5%. The 43 losers were led by Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Everything Fresh, Kintyre Holdings and the Proven Group US dollar shares. 11 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading saw Banks and Cambio selling the American dollar for an average $157.22. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110. $195.07 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $161.38. And that's it for the financial week. Coming up, news from overseas.